Alright, time to put my drill in this microwave. Hey Thomas, what are you doing?
Oh, hi, Percy.
I'm gonna put my drill in the microwave. What? Why? Well, you see, the batteries to it died, and I need to recharge them. So you're gonna recharge them in the microwave? Yep. Thomas, if you put metal in the microwave could explode or catch fire. Percy, I think you're just being a little overprotective. Okay, but don't say I didn't warn you. There, it's in the microwave. Now to just set the time to 1, 2, 3 minutes, and... What do you have to say for yourself? You were right.